Hi everybody, I want to show you the brand new calendar, digital calendar that I made for you if you are in the classroom or if you are teaching virtually. You can use this through Google Classroom. You can type your morning message in here. You can type in the month, add all the days that you would like. You can move these around and edit these to go with any holidays that are coming up and just drag them to wherever you feel is necessary on your calendar. Here is today, yesterday, and tomorrow. All the students have to do, or you would have to do with the students, is drag each day to the right spot. The letter of the week, add one letter, add your sight word. Today's weather, you can just simply drag. You can edit these buttons to say something different if you have a different type of weather in your area than I do. This is today's pattern, so you can drag each one of these and make a pattern and have the students finish it, or you could add any images that you want to have your own pattern, or you can have numbers or letters to make a different kind of like ABB pattern. You can have today's number, put the number inside the box, and if you don't need these, you can get rid of them. If you're just working on ones, you can get rid of the tens also, and then simply drag these over. And remember, always teach your students, if you accidentally mess up something like that, to use this undo button. That's the first rule whenever you're using any kind of slides with young students, kindergarten, first grade. The next one is counting money. You can just simply slide the money over here and then have them count it, and they can type their answer in the box. Next is telling time. You can have your hands and make whatever time you would like for the students to solve, to figure out, and then they would type it down here. Shape of the day. You can add your own shapes. You can even add 3D shapes by simply clicking these buttons, and you can add different shapes up here, 3D and everything. And then just simply grab it. You can change to make it larger if you want to. And then ask students how many sides, how many faces, edges, and so on. Next is tally marks. I like to do the how many days we've been in school so that it helps us count to the 100th day of the school year, and then put your tally marks over here. You want to make sure that you grab all of the 5 when you're doing the 5 so it doesn't mess it up. Okay, all right, and then we're going to look at this one. This is put the months in order on each one of these. And we'll start with January, of course, and we'll move this. And you can reshape it to be whatever size we want. You could change the back color if you don't like the color. You could change it to any color you like, okay? Next is season. Start with what season are we in right now? Right now we are in summer, so I'd put that here. What comes after summer? Then you would go all the way around and name each one. Next is number of the day. Put the number that you want the students to practice that day. This is for the 10 frame, so you're not going to go more than 10, and then students can show that number simply by dragging these over, or you can use it and show them virtually. I also have this one, which is the number of the day in 10 frames, but this is up to 20, so you can have a higher number. If you don't want to use this one yet because maybe your students aren't there yet, you can just delete the slide and not use it. Next is comparing numbers, less, greater than, equal to, less than, and all you have to do is add your numbers in to make a true sentence, true mathematical sentence. And then this one, number order. All the students are going to do is drag these in the order that they're supposed to go, starting with 1 and then ending on 10. You could also fill in a couple and then ask them what's missing, for them to think a little bit more. On the side, you're going to see directions. If you don't need the directions after you read them, just delete them. All you have to do is delete the box. This one is a spin a day. Spin the wheel a day. All you have to do is click this box, click the website, and it's going to take you here and it's going to spin. Click to spin. And once they get the day, it'll say yay. Okay, close that out, and then you'll end up back over here, and they landed on Tuesday. So after what day is after that day, they would type it here. What day is before that day, they would type it there. This would be a fun game. If you don't want to play it though, just delete the slide. I also added a birthday slide. So all you have to do is put the student's picture if they're having a birthday. If they are having a birthday and you have maybe 2 kids having a birthday, you can simply right click on this and duplicate your slides so that you have more than one birthday slides. You can also add music to the slides. This one is a blank slide. I thought that I would give you if you wanted to add anything special yourself or maybe add directions, you could use this slide. And then this one is for students to write, and they can turn it into you. They would highlight what day it is, highlight what season it is. They could add today's letter, today's sight word, make a pattern with these, and add the number. Now this would be turned in digitally, but if you wanted to, you could use this one just to print it out. And if you don't want to print it out, just delete it. But you could print it out, and they could use a pen and pencil in order to turn it if you're in the classroom. All right, thanks for listening.